our practice. We're going to write the inequality for the following statements and then plot them on our number line. All right, so we have Jody, J, is younger than 10 years old. So first of all, in this first box, we're going to put J for Jody. We're also going to put 10 for 10 years old. It says she's younger than 10 years old. So if Jody is younger than 10 years old, that's going to be anything less than 10. So Jody is going to be anything less than 10. So we're going to have that less than. She can't be 10. She can't be older than 10. She's just younger. So we're going to have that less than. That means an open circle on that 10 there. And then we are going to shade anything to the left. This arrow kind of points to the left. So we are going to shade anything to the left here. So we have that open circle with that red arrow shading to the left. All right, a car, C, is traveling faster than 25 miles per hour. So we have C for the car, 25 miles an hour. Now it says it's traveling faster than. So if it's traveling faster than, that is going to mean that C is going to be greater than or bigger than 25. So we're going to have that open circle at 25, and C is going to be anything bigger, any number bigger. So it's going to be any number to the right. See how that arrow is kind of pointing to the right? So we're going to shade anything to the right. All right, the length of one side of a square, S, so we're going to have S, is less than 12 centimeters. Less than, so it's not going to be greater than, not going to be equal to, it's going to be less than. So literally S is going to be less than 12, so big mouth eats the big number. Big mouth is going to eat 12. Less than, we're going to have an open circle at that 12 there. And with that open circle there, less than means anything to the left. So we are going to shade anything to the left of that number, the left of 12. Let's take a look at the last but not least. Cal used more than 3.5 pounds of clay, C, for his project. So we have clay, we have 3.5 pounds. I'll put that a little bit smaller. So anything it is, he used more than that, more than 3.5 pounds. So if he used more than 3.5 pounds, that means his clay is going to be bigger than 3.5. We are going to again have that open circle on 3.5, and it's going to be anything bigger. So we are going to take that arrow that goes to the right, any number that is bigger than that. Reminder, do not stress if you're not completely getting this. It takes a lot of practice. So take your time with it. Watch the video. We will be doing this every day this week. Great job, and that's it for our practice.